Okay, I'm trying to video again, and this time I think they're actually going to set this huge cornice. A minute ago I had video of them with it in the air and almost setting it, but right, I'm stepping down here. We've got them, Don in the man lift and two men upstairs inside on the floor, and Mike is in the crane, our link belt 22-ton crane. You can see these not using the extension because these cornices are very, very heavy, and there are two holes drilled in this cornice in addition to that larger hole this near Don's hand right now, and they're lowering the cornice blocks down over threaded rods that are embedded in the concrete center, the backfill area of the concrete blocks. And once this cornice is in place on top of the wall, they've got washers and nuts that they'll be using stainless steel on the top side. These are stainless steel rods that are going up through the center of these. He's starting up there on the top now to screw that down. It's a beautiful day today. It is March it's April, excuse me. It's about April 2nd or 3rd. It's Thursday. We've already got several of the other cornice blocks on this side of the house, and a bunch of them are already on the wall. You can see the back side of them right there on the west side of the house. And the tower area around the garage has got to come up a little taller before it gets its cornice blocks. Once they get that cornice secured really well, he's scratching his back. Okay, he'll laugh when he sees this on the video. Okay, and once they get that secured really well, they'll unhook the cables that lifted it. They'll be shimming it right now as well too, so everything's level and even. Oh, that's unusual to have a plane flying by here. We don't get many planes. It's probably one of the Navy jets practicing. It's a gorgeous day today. Started out a little misty, but it's really pretty now. I'm going to walk out here and videotape my bottle tree that my precious brother Stephen made for me, and it's leaning because of wind right now just a little bit. And if anybody has any purple bottles, you could mail them to me and I'll put them on the bottle tree. I was actually researching purple bottles online this morning, and it seems that there are quite a few of them for sale out there, but most of them are smaller. The ones I could find, they're like antique medicine bottles and whatnot, whiskey bottles. But if you have a purple bottle around the house that's not just painted on purple, it's got to be like in the glass, or other pretty colors too, turquoises or lime green, that would be wonderful. I'll add it to my bottle tree if you'll send it to me. I'll write you a thank you note too. They're probably about ready to unhook the cables now. Are they gonna, let's see if Mike is, nope, not just yet. Got a little slack in them, so I guess that'll be for unhooking. I see him tightening up the bolts on top. So far we haven't had any accidents, and I'm really grateful for that. Okay. Well, there's not too much else to show you on this video, so I'll go ahead and cut it off. I'll give you a pan shot of the house. That's the front step area, garage area down there, front door, windows of the guest room, porch, and we have just one capital in place. We're waiting on our other capitals from DACART and Ted Dial. Then we'll be able to stack those blocks that have been cut on top of the capitals to receive these lintels that are lined up down here on the ground and ready to be used.